Good morning, guys, and welcome back from your weekend. Let's go ahead and get started by spelling November. Here we go. November spells November. Good job. All right, so yesterday was Sunday, which means today is Monday, and tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. Awesome job. All right, we need to go ahead and fill in 1, 2, 3 spaces on our calendar so that we can see what happened on Saturday and Sunday and then what is supposed to come today. So here we go. We're going to start. We know that our rectangular prism is our A, our dice is our B, and our cylinder is our C. So let's say our pattern. Here we go. Rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. Rectangular prism, cube. Very good. So we're going to draw a blue square to represent that cube. Rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. Okay? And we're going to draw a red circle to show that it is a cylinder. So rectangular prism, cube, cylinder. What should today be? Rectangular prism. Very good. So a rectangular prism. So on your calendar, make sure you have drawn a blue square to represent that cube, a red circle to represent the cylinder, and a yellow horizontal rectangle to represent that rectangular prism. We are actually going to start studying about some 2D and 3D shapes in math today. So we're going to learn more about these kind of shapes this week. All right, here we go. Let's count by tens to see what number we're going to add to our hundreds chart today. Here we go. So remember, we can count down the row on a hundreds chart to see what should be next. We have 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68. Great job. All right, now remember, we want our place value chart right here to match our hundreds chart. So we have to add that ones cube in. So instead of 67 from yesterday, we're going to have 68. Very good. So 6 tens and 8 ones is the same thing as 68. Great job. All right, let's grab a coin. What coin are we adding today? A penny. Great job. So we're going to add another penny into our pocket. So you should slide yours in, and then let's count. Here we go. Remember, quarters. 25, 50. Counting by tens, so 50, 60. Switch it to fives. 60, 65. Switch it to ones. 66, 67, 68. So today we have 68 cents. Or we could say we have $0.68. Great job. All right, let's look at our clock for today. Here we go. If we're looking, we see that we have our minute hand, which is reaching all the way down here to the 8. So go ahead and draw your minute hands on your clock all the way over to the 8. Make sure that when you draw your hands, you have a straight line and then a little arrow on the front, okay? And then let's count around the clock. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So when we see that minute hand pointing to the 8, we know that it has been 40 minutes. Then, like we talked about on Friday, that's silly, the hour hand is getting closer to the 3, but it's not quite there yet. So we're still in the 2 o'clock hour. So our clock today shows 2:40. All right. For today, we are going to be counting by fives, and we're going to start at the number 170. Okay? So let's all write 170 on that first line, and we're going to count by fives. 170. Go ahead and pause your video. Count by fives, starting at 170, and come back to see if you were right. All right, here we go. 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210, 215. Awesome job, guys. I will see you a little bit later in reading groups. Have a great morning.